Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Life in Technicolor. How's everybody doing? I feel like it's been a while since I've uploaded, but it hasn't been longer than a week. I don't like going longer than a week. Anyways, today is a brand new type of video. I say that because I've literally never done anything like this before. I recently purchased a pop punk takeout delivery box. So basically, pop punk takeout, I actually found them on TikTok, and they make these boxes full of merch, music, stuff like that from underrated bands that are just now starting out. This box cost me about 50 bucks, I think. And I haven't opened it yet because I figured it would make a cool video. But that's what it looks like. It looks like a little pizza box, and that's really cool. So yeah, let's start the unboxing. He's got a knife, so I got the tape off of it. So now let's see what we've got. Okay. Unsigned pop punk, a playlist on Spotify. So I got a sticker. That's cool. Okay, so here's the playlist. I don't know how well you could see that on screen. There's a playlist by the makers of the box. Ooh, another sticker. Cities Never Sleep. This is cool. I like that. Ninja Turtles. I love that. And some other stickers, but I'm not gonna spoil the entire box just in case you want to get one yourself. Looks like some sort of coin. Survive 2020. I'm not really sure what this is, but it looks like some sort of collector's coin. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, so here, this is what explains all of the stuff that's in the box. Looks like Keep Flying, hailing from Long Island, New York and beyond, Keep Flying brings you a late mix of 90s skate punk spiced with punchy horn lines, bound to make you want to jump around while you listen to them. Okay, so these are all of the bands. So it's Keep Flying, Cities Never Sleep, 408, and Brave Weather. Okay, I've never heard of any of those, so that's exciting. Get some new music out of them. Okay, so here's the first album, Cities Never Sleep, How the Midwest Was Won. Okay, I will definitely listen to this as soon as I get done filming today. This is cool. I really like that. Oh my gosh, a vinyl? Keep Flying Survival. Awesome. I got a vinyl in this thing. I love that. I collect vinyl. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see my vinyl, Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see my vinyl collection, because I've got a lot of really cool albums. But cool, I wasn't expecting to get this in here. So that's dope. Definitely will listen to that. And a t-shirt. This is it. Brave Weather. This is actually really cool. I don't know, I might wear this to Sad Summer. Maybe that'll get me some cool points with the rest of the pop punk kids. So yeah, this is really cool. I might actually get another one of these sometime soon, because now I got some new music to check out and a cool shirt and some cool stickers. So yeah, like I said, this video is non-sponsored, but I wouldn't be opposed to working with some people if they want to work with me. But for sure, I will link them down in the bio if you want to go check out Pop Punk Takeout, get yourself a box. The one downside to this is it took a really long time to get here. I want to say I ordered this in May and got it in early August. That is kind of a downside. But other than that, see, I paid $50 for it. This is about $80 worth of stuff, you know, 30 bucks for a t-shirt, 20 to 30 for a vinyl, 10 for a CD, and then of course the stickers, and this coin. Where did I put it? I'll find it eventually. There it is. There it is. It was under the album. I found it. So let me know in the comments what you'd like to see. I'm always open to ideas. I love making videos. They're a lot of fun. And let me know if you're going to be at Sad Summer Nashville, because I'm going to be there, and I'm very, very excited. All right, and as always, guys, be nice to each other.